Hi everyone, hi, how are you doing? I hope mko salama. Welcome all to my YouTube channel. It's early in the morning and I'm here basking in the sun as I record this kind of a video. Yeah, welcome all to my channel. It's a girl Silver remote, and finally guys, I'm here again with a new and exciting vlog to do. Let me turn also on you because I wanted to really do this vlog for you guys. So welcome to my channel. To my new subscribers, welcome here. Yeah, here in this vlog or in this video, we have a lot of fun things to do, a lot of engaging exercises we are doing in this channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love that you show me in my videos. Yeah, and here again I'm back. Story time, story time, story time. Is it actually story time? Yeah, it's a talk, an engaging talk to do. As you can see, I'm in the countryside. I do love doing all this for you guys. Let's walk around in the country farm and talk about some a bit kind of reflection, and you know, it's a new year, new things. 2025 is here. For me, it's still a new year, though it's date 25, but it's a new year until February. So for me, it's a new year. Happy New Year, everyone! Yeah, so I'm here. So I've recorded myself. Yeah, as I walk around and show you this place so well. I hope you love my videos. It's been a while since I had this kind of a walk, especially in the morning. But I've been so busy here and there, doing a lot of work. I've been waiting for my internship, applying here and there, and so far so good, waiting for just the best. Yeah, so let's walk around. This is where I'll be passing by. This is the gate heading to this road. Yep. This is how we close them. We put this in there and then it's tied up. I'm so honored to be doing this vlog today. I'm so honored, so much honored, because it's one of the things that I've always wanted to do, but sijaipata that opportunity to do it in because my week nimekuanga so busy, so up and down, running up and down, doing some errands here and there, and finally guys, I'm here. Let's talk about self-reflection. You know what, when you are growing, or when I was growing up, making vlogs or being on camera has been one of my dreams. I've really wanted to do this. Despite I'm going to this place. Sasa nitafungwaje? And I have to close it back juu. Ndio hao wasitoroke hapa. And again, I'm also trying to see what has been happening in this place for a while. So back to the story. When I was growing up, I've always wanted to do this, what I'm doing actually right now, to be talking in front of a camera, sharing my stories to other people, and also inspiring other people. And since when I've at this point, I'm like, let me do it. Yeah, so one thing I'm going to tell everyone is, if you want to really do something, just do it. No matter how long it will take you to do that thing, just do it. Wake up in the morning, just do it, you know. It's not going to be hard, it's not going to be anything difficult. Just do it, you know. It will fix itself. As there's a book I was reading about, Atomic Habits by James Clear. So this person was talking about the habits that you do, the small habits that you do that gonna change your life. Like if you want to do really something, start doing the small things, small thing, as you pile up, and it will form into a character. And that's all about the Atomic Habit. So yeah, we have a walk around. So if you're gonna have aspiring to do something, just do it. It will pay off itself. do small things that are go, yeah, about shooting a content. Just try something new and always improve one thing at a go when doing that thing. Yeah, it's going to pay off with time. It's not that instant, so you cannot be doing one small thing each and every day. So if you get something like you do it constantly for 6 months, at the end of that you will form an habit already. I don't know if you can get what I'm saying. Yeah, like the small things that you do forms a habit. I'm not a good storyteller, but I try to do it. I do love this place. Look at how green it is. One thing that I usually say is that I never knew that content creation can be a really difficult thing to do. I usually see people posting vlogs, and I thought, it's something that they just get their camera on and they start talking and everything goes fine. So for me, I thought it's easy until when I landed myself into this place where I find it's difficult. It's not that easy, because you have to be consistent, you have to be posting different things at every time. Like, it's not easy at all. But I'm trying. So far so good. I'm almost in eligibility. Not actually almost, I'm not even halfway, but I know I'm gonna reach that part this year. This year 2025, we are going to do it. We are going to do it. We are going to reach our eligibility. So yeah, in every weekend or every Saturday, I'm gonna be posting some few podcasts about myself, some motivational thing about myself. I know with time itajipa tu. As much as it's a bit difficult right now, at the end haitakuwa ngumu sana, because haitakuwa ngumu when the moment that I get the grip of what I'm actually doing right now, itajipa. I'm much optimistic that itajipa. To the new YouTubers like me, itajipa. Just do it. Continue doing what you're doing. That thing is, you learn something new each and every time. Just continue doing. Oh, look at this place, guys. Look at this place. When we were young, or actually right now, we still come to collect firewood and do a lot of things here. Because it has everything. There's some plantation there. I don't know if I can zoom it for you to see. Those are maize plantation. Itajipa. So in this video, actually, I'm trying to motivate some people to do it, even if it sounds so difficult, if it sounds so hard. Just do it. Just do it. No matter how hard it's gonna look like, just do it. Other people have done so and they have made it. So it's not that kama ingekuwa ngumu other watu wengi wako wanafanya. I don't know if I'm making some sense there. But just trying, just do it. Oh. Some self-meditation here and there. I started my YouTube journey in 2023. 2023. I started it in 2022, December, with my phone, with only one thing, my phone. It wasn't a good phone at that time. I was just using my Android phone. That is all what I started with. Then I kept on improving and doing something different each time. Then at some point, I got busy with school. At that time, I was still in school and I was idling around, so I started doing it. Then last year, 2023, I stopped for a while because I was doing my final exam and my phone got lost at some point, so I stopped doing it. And I wish kama haingekuwa imepotea, I think I could be somewhere far right now. So I stopped, then I came back and here I am, with a lot of energy that it's gonna be fine, that I'll be able to do a lot. I hope that it will pay itself off. I'm much optimistic about that. As much as it's hard, as much as it has a lot of struggles in between, I'm much optimistic that it will just work out for me. Yeah, because I don't want to be doing 9 to 5 job. I want to be doing job that I'm at least I can plan schedule. I would plan it for myself. Yeah, this is what I want to do. And disclaimer, I did my diploma course, and I did clinical medicine. So far it's doing well. I've just applied for some internship opportunities here and there, which I'm hopefully or optimistic that I'll start soon, because nimechoka kukaa home hata hivyo, and I'll be so happy to be doing so. But again, I don't want to do a 9 to 5 job, or a job that I'm being restricted with my time. I want a job that I'll be able to schedule myself, plan myself. I be my own boss. That is the job that I want. But so far, because that is the current part that my life is taking me through, I have to balance it between content creation and also the career part that I took, the other career of being a clinical officer in some places. But with that, I'm just hoping for the best on my end, because actually even no one wishes the worst for them, so I'm just wishing the best for myself. And again, I can't wait to start that packing internship and do it, because I've stayed at home for like a year so far. That's like a lot. 1 year, so I finished school last year February, then I graduated in December, so it's a lot for me. But I'm actually trying and see how it goes. I want to do something different. But to the new people, just do it. It's gonna pay off itself. As recording this, as I have a small walk around a farm, and I'm almost heading back home. Home where we belong. Take me back home where I belong. I wish I could sing much better than that, but I can't. So this is my voice. I know I don't have a good voice, but you know what? Surprisingly, in high school I used to do a lot of drama. In primary I used to do a lot of music and drama. In college I never participated in anything, but kama kungekuwa na anything to participate on, I could. No, in college I participated in, what do you call this thing? I participated in athletics. I made position 1, but we never reached that far. I got tired on the way. I'm so tired. I've been working in a sleepy place. And that's our life. This is our life. Yeah, so guys, thank you for listening to what I've told you today. To my video today. It was just a simple video. Yeah, for start. Yeah, I was just checking if my microphone is still okay. Ama imejizima. That is okay for today. Stay tuned. On Saturdays, I'll be doing motivational talks, motivational engagement songs, like a podcast on weekends. I do love doing podcasts, but sasa sinanga hiyo wakati. It's been hectic. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my video. That is it for today, guys. Stay tuned for next week, where I'll be bringing you another episode of this, but self-reflection in actually that. Yeah, so bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.